I crochet my vests and I crochet my hats. Today is February 8th. Day 8 of my 100 hats on 28 days February challenge. I do 3 hats a day, and then on the 20th I will do 4 hats a day so I can reach my 100 hats on 28 days. I already made 21 hats plus 3 more. It will not be all mushroom hat. I will do appa hat and chopper hat too. This mushroom hat is available on my Etsy, link in my bio if you wanna buy one and mess up with my inventory for my challenge. Thank you, bye bye.